We're having a little unboxing, which is not really typical of my video, but it is very exciting. It's a package from Moyu, so I'm just gonna open it like real quick. So I have opened it, so let's see what we got here. I have this like two by two pyramids, a couple of them, three. Moyu timer. Let's see what we got here. This is the RS3M, but this is the original one, if I recall correctly. Yeah. Another 2x2 pyramids. Oh no, this is... Okay, I don't know what is this, but I'll check it later. A couple of box. Cube cover. A couple of cube cover. Oh. This is the WRM, but I don't know which WRM this actually is. Might be the 2020? I could be wrong. Oh, this one is the 2021. So this one is the one you guys been excited for. Okay. So there's two. I got another RSCM. This one the 2020. Another pyramids puzzle. Another pyramids puzzle. I don't really know which pyramids are. I think this is dual. Okay. Let's see what we got. I got two also WRM. That's nice. Wait, no, this is also, this is Aochuang. Okay. So I got two, 4x4 and 5x5. I think this is the Melong series. Yeah, and then a Gogan Sing Hang TS. So I will be unboxing from the least exciting to the most exciting. So I think I'm just gonna put the 3x3 last. Just gonna open this Aochuang WRM because it's an old product. Okay. To be fair, I'm not really a 5x5 solver. I haven't like really touched 5x5 since like 2018 or something like that. So it's been quite long since I touched it. So it's like been 3 years or 4 years since I touched a 5x5. Okay. So we got the cube here, the Aochuang WRM, and some the toolbox. Yeah. Let's see how it fits in. Oh, it's so dry. Okay. Okay, it's right out of the box. I'm probably just gonna be using this because like I don't really care about 4x5, so that's nice. Let's put this thing aside and moving on with maybe 2x2 because this one has, if I recall correctly, there's like attention for size, so size adjustment. Although I believe it's only an idea rather than like a finished product, so it's kind of like more of an idea. Okay, so there's the cube. I believe the count size is probably 50, or maybe less. I could be wrong. Okay. Holy, it's been a while since I've touched. Okay. Yeah, it got an extra magnet, tensioning tool, and this size adjustment thing. So let's put those two things aside. Okay, I'm a bit excited with this because I want really to test an idea on 4x4, but I haven't like really had a 4x4 since like I don't have any decent 4x4, so this will be exciting. And I believe this is the smallest. No, it's not the smallest. It's yeah, but it is one of the smallest 4x4. Wow, it is really small though. It's 59 millimeter. Yeah, it's quite small. Okay, let's see. Holy, it's been a while since I filled a 4x4. It felt really nice. Okay, let me not mess up this battery. Okay, it's dry, and I think that's probably because this is like yeah, this is really dry. I might need to breaking it in, but I'm really excited that I have a 4x4 now. Wow, this is actually really nice. Doing some LSC there. Yeah, this is really nice. I'm really excited for this one. Okay, we're still gonna open the 3x3 now. We start to RS3M. This two RS3M product. So this is the original RS3M. No, yeah, this is the original RS3M. This is the RS3M 2020. So I'm gonna open out this one first. Because this is an old cube, but I think some people actually like the feeling of it, and it's like, I don't think it's, I think it's got discontinued, so yeah, that may be good. Let's see. Oh, it's been a long time for that. Okay. Wow, packaging is really hard to open. Ooh, this one is really fast. Might be too weird as well. This cube is really fast, like, look at that. Interesting. I do really like that it's not toasted, but it feels dry. It's really dry. Yep, I guess. Now this is RSM 2020. This is like a really good cube. It's my current main for both 3x3 and one-handed. I really like this cube. This is probably one of the best, if not the current best budget cube out there. So yeah, it's been a long time since I touched an out of the box RS3M 2020. So it will be interesting there too. Oh my god. Okay, this is giving me some sort of nostalgia right now. Wow. Wow, I really miss this feeling. I legit miss this feeling. Okay. I'm gonna continue. I think I'm gonna put the box aside, the one who I already opened. Okay. Great. So let's just pull out this thing aside. And now I think this is the most exciting one for me. This is the WRM, I believe the original, and this is the 2021. I think it will be nice to kind of compare both of those cubes. So we're gonna open up WRM 20, WRM. I think it's WRM first, and then I'm gonna open the 2021. Oh, freak! Yeah, that's how you open it. Okay, wow, I actually don't know how much stuff you get. Okay, so you get this toolbox full of extra core, extra dash, this adjust system, and what is it called? I forgot. A screwdriver. That's a screwdriver. Oh, whatever. I cannot speak English. Okay, let's see. This is the WRM, and I actually never had a WRM, but I have tried a WRM before, but never really have it. So it will be interesting to have. Oh. Ooh. Nice. I really like it. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's set this thing aside and finally go to the main thing that we have been waiting for, the WRM 2021. Oh, this one is really exciting. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, so it almost the same thing on this one. Like the toolbox is probably the same. But the screwdriver is a bit different. Maybe there's a magnet adjustment on there. And I see some black things. I'll probably wait the, yeah. See. Okay. WRM 2021, guys. Let's open it. Okay, right off the bat, I'm just like holding it. Yeah, I think it's smaller. Or not. Maybe I'm just blind. Let's see. I don't know. It just feels smaller for me. Oh. 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 Wow. Wow. Actually. Okay, so it's a bit locky to use right now. But dang, that's actually really nice. I think like if I could find the perfect setup. I really like the feel right now for one-handed already. Wow, there's like, oh wow. 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 This is probably instant main for one-handed. Like from the feeling alone. Wow. It has like a really, yeah, it has a really, how do I describe it? Like, it's a fast use, but still like a very controllable one. And I think that's kind of nice for OH because like, you want something at force, but you're still able to control it. Wow. I'm just gonna look it. Wow, it's really nice. I would say that. Okay, this thing's really bothering me. Wait. Okay, let's, yeah. Okay, so you guys probably excited about, maybe I'll open it to find out. So there's this tape thingy. So open that tape. Okay. So this is, okay, but I don't get it. Wait. Do you know? So what's this for? Wait, I'm so confused. Wait.